Oh, before we start, I would like to appeal to you to subscribe subscribe to our channel, okay? Subscribe, share, like and comment, okay? If there is anything that you want me to do, if you have any question, you can drop it on my WhatsApp line, okay? Because each of my video, when you go to the description, you see my WhatsApp line over there, okay? Just use the WhatsApp line to contact me, chat me, and make your suggestions, ask your questions, okay? Make your contribution. If there is anything you want me to stay add up, just let me know. I love learning from people, okay? I love to learn, okay? No man is an island, and no knowledge is a waste. These are my beliefs, okay? So you're free to ask your questions, make suggestions, or contribute, okay? Or make your contribution, okay? But let it be respectful, okay? Let's always learn to respect each other, okay? So thank you.